हेलो दोस्तों, अगर आप अपना पैसा शेयर मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करके लाखों रुपए कमाना चाहते हैं तो आज ही आप स्टॉक के साथ जुड़कर अपना डीमैट अकाउंट आप बिल्कुल फ्री में ओपन कर सकते हैं, जहां पर आपका ब्रोकरेज चार्जेस बिल्कुल ना के बराबर लगता है। ब्रोकरेज लगता है तो सिर्फ इंट्राडे ट्रेड में, वह भी सिर्फ 20 रुपए। तो आज ही आप स्टॉक के साथ में जुड़ सकते हैं, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन में है, क्लिक करें और अकाउंट ओपन कराएं।
PPCL के चीफ फाइनेंशियल ऑफिसर श्री एन विजय गोपाल साहब। गोपाल साहब, स्वागत है आपका। नतीजे शानदार थे। PPCL ने 11,940 करोड़ रुपए का मुनाफा कमाया और बहुत बढ़िया डिविडेंड दिया, लगभग 58 रुपए प्रति शेयर। अब आपके जो चौथी तिमाही के नंबर्स हैं उनका आंकलन करते हैं। ये बताइए, ये जो ऑपरेशन में जो आपने नंबर्स आए ये बहुत ही बढ़िया थे और मार्केटिंग और थ्रूपुट में भी आपने बहुत अच्छा रुझान दिखाया। कौन कौन से ऐसे ट्रिगर्स थे जिनकी वजह से ये अच्छे नंबर्स आपको आते हुए दिखे चौथी तिमाही में?
We had an exceptional quarter, even as you rightly said, excluding the exceptional items, our profit after tax was about 6,500 crores. And for the year, if you remove the exceptional items, the profit after tax was about 13,737 crores. Basically, this was because the fourth quarter was our best quarter in this financial year. The crack spreads were better. It was the best in the year in the fourth quarter. Even the third quarter was good. First half was a washout half because of the pandemic. Second half we have recovered and it's a V-shaped recovery and we took advantage of that. And as I was mentioning, in the normal times BPCL performs the best. In a difficult period, some competition takes a lead over us because of their presence in certain rural segments. Otherwise, we are the best when the times are normal. And of course, the interest rates were soft. There was no major fluctuations even in the crude prices. It was on the one way up. There was an inventory gain for all of us. All the OMCs reaped the benefit of inventory gains. And the marketing side also, we did exceedingly well. We sold about 11 million tons of products in both the Q3 and Q4. And the Q4 performance was mainly aided by these factors.
जी गोपाल साहब, ये बताइए कि आगे आने वाली 2 या 3 तिमाही में ये जो आप ग्रोथ देख रहे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ मार्केट शेयर, सेल्स और GRM, क्या ये सस्टेन कर सकती है?
See, the GRM for the first quarter for the year 21-22 in terms of dollar per barrel will be good because the crack spreads have improved over the fourth quarter of the previous year. But then rupees cross GRM could not be probably same because we are seeing a demand slackening, especially in the month of May because of the lockdowns imposed by various state governments. So if you compare with the quarter 4 of this year, that is Jan-March of 2021, we may not have the same number of sales and even same number of throughput, and therefore the GRM rupees cross may not match. But going forward, we are confident that India will be able to perform, and as we did last year, we will be able to come back and sell normal sales as and when the COVID situation improves and normalizes.
जी हाँ सर, इस बार अगर आप देखें क्वार्टरली नंबर्स पर आपकी डीजल सेल्स में अगर आप देखें एक सब्सटेंशियल जंप है, 6% जंप ऑन क्वार्टरली बेसिस। इसका रीज़न क्या था एग्जैक्टली?
So diesel sales have gone up. You are talking about quarter to quarter, 5.98% growth is there. That is because last year this time it was a national lockdown. It is not that in terms of a normal year we are still as a nation yet to reach the level of a normal year of 1920 sort of thing. If you take 18-19 sort of thing, if you take 2021, we are comparing with a normal quarter because of fourth quarter of this year is showing with respect to the fourth quarter of the previous year, which was actually having a 5 days national lockdown. So otherwise diesel in this country is actually showing a degrowth.
एक और चीज़ सर, अगर आप देखें इस Q1 में अब सब्सटेंशियल पार्ट में हम लॉकडाउन में रहें अंडर द सेकेंड वेव ऑफ कोविड, हम थर्ड वेव के लिए भी अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करेंगे, तो ऐसे में आपका जो गाइडेंस है, जो आपका आउटलुक है वो करंट फिस्कल के लिए जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है। इस फिस्कल के लिए पूरे के लिए अगर आप देखें आपकी ग्रोथ गाइडेंस क्या है?
So it depends. We are ready to sell any volume and we have also put up a number of new retail outlets. We are ready to face the market. It is only a question of the economy picking up and the lockdowns restrictions being removed. So I do not know whether in the first quarter our numbers in terms of volume will match the normal. Second quarter, we are very confident that we'll recoup, and we are ready to actually face the customers with a new expanded regional outlet. We are now the second largest number of outlets in the country. So we have put up about 2,444 new outlets just in this 1 year. So we are ready to improve the market share. As I have been telling, our focus is to ensure that we add to the outlets where we have our presence was slightly less, especially in the rural side. So when the economy normalizes, we'll take advantage of that, and our market share will further improve.
गोपाल साहब, एक बार बताइए, पूरी दुनिया खासकर अमेरिका और ईरान कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि जो पुरानी लड़ाई थी उसको भूल जाएं, और यहाँ पर काफ़ी चर्चा हो रही है कि ईरान वापस आपको आता हुआ दिख सकता है ग्लोबल क्रूड ऑयल मार्केट्स में। अगर ऐसा होता है तो क्या आप ईरान से क्रूड ऑयल सोर्स करेंगे?
We do not know. That is a question. It depends on several factors. If Iran is allowed to sell, we will be interested to buy. But it's a commercial terms in any case. We are not overly dependent on any country for that matter. But if Iran is allowed to sell globally, then we will have benefits in terms of considering the quality of the crude and the transportation costs.
अच्छा गोपाल साहब, सबसे अहम बात जहां पर बाजार का पूरा ध्यान केंद्रित है वो है डाइवेस्टमेंट प्रोसेस जो सरकार ने शुरू कर रखा है बीपीसीएल के लिए। क्या आप बाजार के साथ कुछ शेयर करेंगे डिटेल्स? क्या अपडेट है, लेटेस्ट क्या है बीपीसीएल के डाइवेस्टमेंट पर?
It is progressing very satisfactorily in spite of the fact that the COVID had impacted the pace a bit. We have opened the data room in the month of April, on the 10th of April, and the qualified interested parties have been given access. Questions have come, we are in the process of answering those questions, and we have also shared with them an approved draft sale purchase agreement, approved at the highest level of the Government of India. So SPA negotiation will have to happen, and after that they need to probably have a physical inspection of major facilities, discussions with the senior management, and then they need to submit their financial books.
नहीं तो सर एग्जैक्टली अगर आप देखें इसी प्रश्न का अगर मैं दूसरा भाग पूछूं कि कंपनी ने इंटरेस्ट तो बहुत शो किया है लेकिन अभी तक कोई फिजिकल अगर आप देखें ड्यू डिलिजेंस नहीं हुआ है, उसकी कोई टाइमलाइन वो कब तक होगा?
No, they are waiting for the international flights to be allowed to fly into the country. So unless that happens, they will not be able to have physical inspection and the discussions with the senior management because there are some embargo for us to talk to them while the results are not announced yet. So maybe it can happen very soon. But the physical verification of facilities will need to wait for the country to be allowed to open the skies for the global international flights.